Google's putting magic sparkle buttons in your browser, Meta's making smart glasses even smarter, and an AI system is helping cancer patients fight back. Get ready for today's mind-blowing updates. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kitty AI Daily. I'm your host Kitty, and I'm super excited to bring you today's hottest AI news that's literally changing how we interact with technology and even how we approach healthcare. All right, let's dive in. Google just dropped some major news that's going to change how you browse the internet forever. They're rolling out a Gemini button in Chrome for all desktop users in the US who browse in English. That's right. That sparkle icon you might have seen at the top of your Chrome browser? It's Google's AI-powered chatbot, and it's now available to everyone for free. But here's where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. Previously, you needed a paid Gemini Advanced subscription to access these features. Now, Google is making advanced AI tools available to all eligible users without charging a dime. This is a huge step toward democratizing AI technology. So what can this Gemini button do? Let me tell you. When you click that sparkle icon, it opens a Gemini-powered chatbot that can answer questions about the current page you're viewing, summarize content, and even synthesize information from multiple tabs. Imagine you're researching something across 5 different tabs. Gemini can pull all that information together and give you a comprehensive summary. That's not just convenient, that's a game changer for productivity. But wait, there's more. Google is also introducing an AI mode in Chrome's address bar before the end of September. This feature will suggest prompts based on the content of the web page you're viewing. It won't replace standard search functionality, but it will make finding relevant information so much easier. The enhancements don't stop there. Gemini can now work across multiple tabs to compare and summarize information from different websites. There's also a new recall feature that lets Gemini access your browsing history to help you find previously viewed content. All you have to do is ask in natural language. And here's something that sounds like science fiction but is coming soon. Google plans to enable Gemini to perform actions like adding items to shopping carts by actually controlling the browser cursor. That's right. Your AI assistant will be able to do tasks for you, not just provide information. For those of you on mobile, Gemini features are already available on Android devices. Just hold down the power button. Google is working to bring similar functionality to Chrome on iOS as well. And don't worry about privacy. While Google hasn't detailed all the specifics, they typically emphasize privacy controls and transparency with new AI features. You'll likely have options to manage what data Gemini can access, especially regarding your browsing history. Plus, if you're not interested in using the feature, you can simply remove that Gemini sparkle icon from Chrome's interface. Now, let's talk about Meta's latest move that could completely change the smart glasses game. Meta just announced a developer preview of its Wearable Device Access Toolkit, which lets third-party developers build apps using the vision and audio capabilities of smart glasses, like the Ray-Ban Meta series. This is absolutely incredible news for wearable technology. So, what exactly does this toolkit do? It allows developers to integrate features like open-ear audio and first-person camera perspectives from Meta's AI-powered smart glasses into their iOS and Android apps. Imagine apps that can see what you see and hear what you hear. The possibilities are endless. The toolkit is launching as a developer preview with a full release planned for 2026. Meta is actively seeking feedback from the developer community during this preview phase, which means they're committed to getting this right before the big launch. Developers will be able to access the glasses' microphones, speakers, and cameras, enabling hands-free experiences like real-time translation, object recognition, and context-aware notifications. Picture this. You're traveling in a foreign country, and your smart glasses are translating conversations for you in real time. Or you're trying to fix something, and your glasses are recognizing the parts and giving you instructions. That's not just cool, that's transformative. Meta's vision here is to foster a creative ecosystem where developers can realize new use cases for AI glasses, emphasizing community and innovation. This is similar to how smartphone app ecosystems grew. By giving developers access to hardware features, Meta hopes to spark a wave of innovation and new applications for smart glasses. This announcement was made during Meta Connect 2025, highlighting the company's commitment to expanding the use cases for wearables and integrating them more deeply into daily life. While other tech companies like Apple and Google are also exploring wearable AR and AI devices, Meta's move to open up hardware access to third-party developers is a real differentiator. Meta is providing extensive documentation, sample code, and support resources to help developers get started with the Toolkit, which means we're likely to see some really creative applications emerge. The smart glasses market has been waiting for its App Store moment, and this could be it. The wearable tech space is getting more exciting by the day, and Meta's latest announcement just kicked things up a notch. Our final story today is perhaps the most inspiring and impactful one. Steve Brown built CureWise, a platform that's helping cancer patients become better advocates for their care by using AI agent experts to find medications that target specific cancer mutations based on genetic makeup. This is not just cool technology. This is technology that's saving lives. Steve Brown's journey with CureWise began with his own experience with a missed cancer diagnosis. After months of unexplained symptoms and inconclusive medical tests, Brown repurposed his AI tools, originally built for education, to analyze his own medical records. The AI system flagged signs of a rare blood cancer called plasma cell dyscrasias, prompting a bone marrow biopsy that confirmed the diagnosis. Brown credits the AI's early detection with enabling timely treatment and recovery. But here's where the story gets even more compelling. After a wildfire destroyed his home in January 2025, Brown was forced to seek care in a new health system where further tests confirmed the cancer at a treatable stage. Drawing on his background in Silicon Valley and medical technology, he rewrote his AI agents to simulate different medical specialists, hematologists, cardiologists, oncologists, allowing them to debate possible diagnoses and recommend next steps. The system provided actionable insights, such as suggesting specific tests and highlighting clinical trials. Brown's experience revealed the limitations of standard cancer care, which often treats patients with what he calls blunt instruments, rather than targeting their unique genetic disease. This led him to found CureWise with the mission to democratize access to precision medicine, enabling patients to understand their unique cancer fingerprint and match it to the most effective treatments for their specific genetic profile. So how does CureWise actually work? It uses a multi-agent system, with each agent trained to think like a different medical specialist. These agents analyze patient data, medical history, lab results, imaging, and genetic information, and synthesize recommendations through what Brown calls a virtual multidisciplinary medical team. The platform leverages foundation models from multiple AI companies, including OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and xAI, combining their strengths to provide comprehensive analysis and recommendations. This multi-model approach helps ensure that patients get the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. CureWise is designed to help patients ask better questions, understand the latest treatments, and collaborate more effectively with their physicians. It also facilitates access to clinical trials and off-label drug options that may be more effective for specific genetic mutations. Brown emphasizes that CureWise is not intended to replace doctors, but to amplify human wisdom with machine intelligence, ensuring that patients receive care tailored to their unique disease rather than population averages. The use of AI agents to simulate medical experts and synthesize recommendations is gaining traction, with platforms like CureWise at the forefront of integrating multiple AI models for patient advocacy and decision support. Additionally, CureWise aims to help drug developers identify suitable trial participants based on genetic profiles, addressing a major challenge in the development of targeted therapies. This story is a powerful reminder of how AI can be used for good, not just to make our browsing more convenient or our gadgets cooler, but to literally save lives and improve patient outcomes. It's technology with a purpose, and it's absolutely inspiring. Wow, what an amazing lineup of stories today. It's clear that AI continues to transform our world in incredible ways. These stories show us three different aspects of AI's impact, making our everyday digital experiences more powerful and convenient, creating new possibilities for wearable technology, and literally helping save lives through personalized medicine. It's an exciting time to be following AI developments. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these stories got you most excited? Are you going to try out the new Gemini features in Chrome? What kind of apps would you like to see for smart glasses? And how do you feel about AI's growing role in healthcare? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Kitty AI Daily for all the latest AI news. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.